Keystone Quality Transport. Customer Service. Best Practices for Field Staff. Keystone Quality Transport opened for business in 1994 as a small, locally owned and operated medical transport company in Media, Delaware County, Pennsylvania. Today, Keystone Quality Transport is the largest private ambulance service in Pennsylvania. We offer multimodal medical transport services to hospitals and health systems, nursing facilities, and private residents. While we are emergency medical services providers and do respond to emergency medical calls, we are not a primary 911 emergency response organization. Most of our calls are non-emergency scheduled transports between different medical facilities. We primarily serve the 5-county Philadelphia region in southeastern Pennsylvania, which includes Bucks County, Chester County, Delaware County, Montgomery County, and the city of Philadelphia. We have contracts and service agreements with many agencies throughout these areas. We operate 5 base locations throughout this region to meet the needs of our clients. In June of 2019, we expanded operations to include a facility in Baltimore, Maryland, to provide medical transport services to the Chesapeake Bay area. I'm sure you have all experienced poor customer service in your lifetime. It's easy to see when service is not good. But what is customer service? Customer service is the interaction between the client, the user of the service, and the company that provides that service. Keystone Quality Transport recently reached our 25th anniversary milestone because of the outstanding customer service at all levels within the company. Quality customer service is the cornerstone of our organization. Every employee is tasked with providing excellent customer service at all times. Our current clients do not owe us their loyalty simply because we have transported them in the past. We must earn their business continually with every transport we complete. When someone has experienced bad customer service or has an unfavorable experience with a company, they talk about it. This is especially true in today's social media dominated world. By the way, Keystone Quality Transport actively participates on multiple social media platforms. Be sure to like, follow, and share. Who are our customers? Simply put, our customers are everyone we interact with. It is not only the individual that is sitting on the stretcher or the wheelchair, it is everyone that sees what and how we are doing things. Today's observer could be tomorrow's willing customer, or they could be the decision maker who is calling to set up transportation services for someone else. In addition to our external customers, we consider our own staff as internal customers. Everything we say about interacting with our clients applies to our own workforce as well. Keystone Quality Transport also recognizes other EMS and medical transport companies as internal customers. In some lights, we may be competitors, but we are all working together to meet the needs of the communities that we serve. Here are a few suggestions to help you provide good customer service in the healthcare medical transport industry. Start seeing patients as customers. The patient client that we are providing services to are more than just a number or simply a person we are giving a ride to. They are the customer. Their choice to use our company provides us with the opportunity to work. Be courteous and respectful. Everyone deserves to be treated with courtesy and respect. Consider how you might feel in the situation being experienced by the customer. Practice empathy with everyone you encounter. Tell patients you appreciate their business. Even though most of our clients have their transportation arrangements scheduled by somebody else, a particular customer service practice to develop is to thank the client for their business. Use plain terms and simple explanations. We must communicate in a way that is easy for the client to understand while relaying important information to them. This is not the time to impress someone with your extensive medical vocabulary. Never show indifference to patients. Your transports will all blur together. It is easy to see every run as just another transport. But remember, our clients may be experiencing difficult situations and need a friendly, compassionate caregiver to help them. Don't contradict, argue, or try to match wits. We are the medical transport experts. Sometimes clients may think they know what is best, but it is our job to educate them without putting them down or belittling them. Good manners will get you everywhere. Always consider how your actions and behaviors will appear to those that are watching you. Your conduct is not only a reflection on you, but also a reflection of our entire company. Keep your promises. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Clients will hold you to your word. Everything you say sets an expectation for the customer. The field staff is the face of Keystone. You will be the person that comes to mind when someone thinks about Keystone. So you will also be the one they complain to. Refer all complaints up through management. Complaints are an opportunity to improve as a company. We welcome the chance to be better and to meet the specific needs of all of our clients. When we receive compliments about field staff, and we get them very often, it is normally for how our staff made the client feel. Talking with your client throughout the transport event, making them feel at ease, are ways to show that you care. This is the best way to make the client feel special. When you are in their presence, they must be the most important person in the world at that moment. An important consideration when dealing with clients or anybody we encounter while working is body language. Body language is those unspoken cues that can potentially reveal how we are feeling about the individual or the situation without having to speak any words. Strive to present a friendly, warm, and open demeanor at all times. As mentioned before, Keystone Quality Transport is successful because of our field staff. The professionalism, conduct, and performance of our staff is what gives us the greatest competitive advantage over the competition. We are a uniformed company. We provide our services dressed to present our company and ourselves as professionals. All field staff are required to wear the proper uniform while on duty and interacting with clients. The basic field staff uniform consists of company uniform shirt, navy blue pants, a belt, black boots. Boots do not need to be steel toe. The most important uniform rule, other than to always be in uniform when working, is to remember branding. Our company name must be visible on the outermost layer of clothing at all times. During your in-person training session, your photo will be taken for your Keystone Quality Transport ID badge. You must wear your ID badge prominently while working. We stock multiple uniform items at our Springfield base. To order uniform items, fill out a uniform request form on ESO, our company's internal communication network. Purchased uniform items are paid by payroll deduction over 3 pay periods. Our uniform shirts options include our polo shirt and traditional button-down shirts. Options for outerwear include our 3-season jacket with a removable fleece liner that may be worn as its own jacket, and our true spec job shirt. Your personal grooming appearance speaks to your professionalism. If you are viewed as sloppy, messy, or unkept, you will portray a negative professional image. We are not here to stifle anyone's individualism or creativity. However, the Keystone Quality Transport uniform policy regarding hair is written so that an employee's appearance is acceptable and professional to the large majority of the clients we serve. The Keystone Quality Transport uniform policy relating to jewelry is primarily about your safety. Long and dangly jewelry or excessive amounts of jewelry can pose a safety risk during the performance of your duties. The amount of jewelry worn should be limited. Any items of jewelry that is considered to be a safety risk must be removed. Additionally, Keystone Quality Transport will not be responsible for lost or damaged jewelry items while you are working. Tips for being a good coworker. Be humble. Nobody is perfect and no one individual knows everything. Regardless of your previous experiences in education, you will surely learn new things here at Keystone Quality Transport. You must be open to these learning opportunities. Show appreciation. We are a team. We are all working towards the same goal. When someone helps you, say thank you and let them know you appreciate their help. For actions above and beyond the normal helping, consider completing a compliment form in ESO to let the management team know about your coworkers' contributions. Avoid gossip. I'm sure you've heard the saying, if you don't have anything nice to say about someone, don't say it. Anytime you are about to speak about another employee's actions, consider if your statement is true. Is the information from first-hand knowledge that you have personally witnessed? Is it relevant? Does the information have anything to do with the person's work duties or functions? And finally, is the information sincere? How does this information make the employee and the company look? Thank you for taking the time to view this lesson, Customer Service Best Practices for Field Staff. Please complete the customer service quiz in Google Classroom.